नमस्ते, आई एम डॉक्टर प्रियंका हरदनकर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो जैसे मैंने आपको प्रीवियस वीडियो में कहा है कि मैं 6 दिन आपका एक योगा प्रोग्राम करने वाली हूँ, जिसमें एक दिन बैक बेंडिंग एंड एक दिन फ्रंट बेंडिंग के आसन बताऊंगी। सो प्रीवियस वीडियो में मैंने आपको बताया था पहला आसन जो था उपविष्ट कोणासन, जो था फ्रंट बेंडिंग आसन। आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ पहला बैक बेंडिंग आसन, जो है धनुरासन। So let's get started. So take your head up, sink your back, then head inside, squeeze your tummy in. This is your cat and this is called camel. ये हमें 3 बार रिपीट करना है, each holding it for 5 seconds. So this is cat. Next is camel. And sit back. For second warm up is take your hand to your chest level, look up, inhale and come up. Exhale and go down. Inhale, up, hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Exhale, go down. Third time, inhale, come up. Exhale and go down. This is our Bhujangasana second warm-up exercise. Third is raise your both the legs up, head up and hand up. This is Naukasana. Hold for 5 seconds and relax. Up again. Hold for 5 seconds and relax. We will repeat for the third time. Up and relax. Fourth is Ardha Dhanurasana. One hand on the floor. Fold one leg. Hold it with the hand. Pushing through the other hand, look up. Hold for 5 seconds and alternate the other side. Hold the other leg. Push with your hand and up. For 5 seconds, hold. Down. We'll repeat it again. Fold the leg. Hold and push. Go down. The second leg. Up. 5 seconds and down. Relax. So let's start Dhanurasana. Fold the legs. Hold it towards the ankle from outside. Breathe in. Slowly come up. Look forward and push your legs towards the ceiling. Hold it for 5 seconds. Slowly exhale and go down. So let's repeat again. Get up. Look up. Hold it for 5 to 10 seconds now. And slowly go down. Take a normal breathe. And repeat it for 3 times. Up. 10 seconds hold. And slowly go down. Leave your legs and relax. Now let's do Purna Dhanurasana. That is Dhanurasana for advanced level. For that, fold the knees. Take your hand from inside the feet, that is from the thumb. Slowly come up. Pull the feet towards yourself. Bend the elbows and let the elbows go towards the ceiling. And relax. Down. Legs down. We'll repeat it again. Fold. Hold it from inside. Head up. Pull the feet towards yourself. Bend the elbows turn it from outside towards the ceiling. Hold it for 5 seconds and relax. After finishing your pose, get up and go back to Balasana. Hold this pose from 15 to 30 seconds for relaxation. So ये था हमारा आज का आसन धनुरासन. इसके लिए जैसे मैंने आपको वार्म अप एक्सरसाइज बताए हैं, हर वार्म अप एक्सरसाइज आपको 3 से 5 बार रिपीट करने हैं और जो धनुरासन है वो आपको 3 बार रिपीट करना है. मैंने आपको 2 टाइप का धनुरासन बताए हैं. पहला बिगिनर एंड द सेकेंड एडवांस. जैसे जैसे आप ये धनुरासन प्रैक्टिस करते जाएंगे वैसे वैसे आपकी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बढ़ेगी एंड यू कैन ऑप्ट फॉर द एडवांस धनुरासन पोज. सो ये था आज का धनुरासन. प्लीज लाइक, share and subscribe my channel and do comments how do you like my video. Namaste.